10,774 miles on a 16 Dyna Street Bob. And it's in the Hard Candy Custom color, which is a metallic flake blue with black accents also. Bike has front and rear LED turn signal marker lights, LED headlight, custom nacelle on the front, high flow air filter, Vance and Hines full exhaust, Vikingbags bags on it, lockable hard bags. It's got a little sack on the back here, the Sissy bar. It also has a Saddlemen seat with the stadium seating for the passenger. It has low profile gas caps and the gas gauges LEDs. There is a imperfection in the tank. It looks like it does have a slight dent here and some paint missing. Make sure we disclose that. Other than that, this is a really nice Dyna. You can barely notice that with the paint because it has such depth and color. It's got a Harley-Davidson Motor Company derby cover. It's got highway pegs that are almost like a mustache bar because they stick out where one would be if you had a mustache bar. Custom grips. And that's basically it. So if you're interested, come on down, check it out. You don't see too many in this color. I don't think they made that many of these that year. The hard candy editions were really popular. They also did it in the Sportsters.